Every year in the UK, we spend millions of pounds on fertiliser for our lawns. The most popular one being this Miracle-Gro 4-in-1, which claims it kills weeds, kills moss, makes everything greener in 7 days and gives you a thicker, healthier lawn. But does it actually work? Well, today I'm going to find out. Look at the guy relaxing there on his deck chair, surrounded by a nice lush lawn, which looks like he's been feeding with fertiliser regularly because it's so nice and green, which is exactly what you need to elevate any average lawn into something that looks really nice. You're going to have to give it fertiliser and weed killer. And this is why products like this, that claim they do both all in one shot, are so popular, especially this Miracle-Gro 4-in-1. You can find in all the shops, including supermarkets and DIY shops and garden nurseries. But it's not particularly cheap. For this bag that treats up to 360 square metres, it's about 25 quid. So you do want to make sure that it does what it claims. And although I've used this a number of times in the past, I've never really monitored it that closely. So I'm not really sure how well it works. But today, that changes, because I'm going to put this down in a controlled way and I will see over a number of weeks how it performs. So the first thing we need to do is to work out how much 360 square metres is and then get it laid. This is the area that I'm going to do this trial in, which is my paddock out the back of my garden. It's a large area, so this 360 square metres isn't going to cover all of it. So I can compare the grass where I've laid the fertiliser and where I haven't. And it's all pretty rough. There's all kinds of different grasses and weeds in this area. I would say it's mainly covered with meadow grass, but there's an awful lot of broadleaf weeds and a certain amount of fine grass intermixed with the coarse. I put down a couple of boards just to show myself exactly where the intersection of the area is, which I move a few times until I've got them in the right place, which I know when they are because I pace it out and work out the area. So this is the area that I'm going to be laying this 4-in-1 fertiliser stroke weed killer in, which is roughly 36 metres by 10, making it an easy 360 square metres, which means I'm going to use the whole pack. And I'm going to lay it using my spreader, which is pretty good at delivering a random sprinkling of granular material everywhere. I fill up the hopper, and to get it spread evenly, I like to spread at a lower rate and crisscross the whole area randomly and just keep spreading until I've totally run out of material. So the first claim that this compound makes is that within 7 days your grass is going to be greener. Well, I've been away for a couple of days. It's actually been 5 days since I laid it, and I had to show you this. I couldn't believe it when I've just come back. Have a look. To say there's a clear border between where I've laid this stuff and where I haven't is, I think, an understatement. This is the area that I laid it on that you can see is nice and dark green. You've got a line there, and this is the area that I haven't laid it on. Look at the difference. This 4-in-1 does contain nitrogen, which I assume is the main reason for the dark green colour and the sudden growth spurt. The other thing that's very clear when you start looking closely is some of these weeds are not looking particularly well. These were a lot greener and thriving a lot more just 7 days ago, but now they're looking in distress. And there's a whole area here of these weeds. Now these were all very green and growing well just 5 days ago, but looking at them now, they're not enjoying it, that's for sure. Not only that, actually when I look at the grass in a little bit more detail, it's just really grown and gone for it in the last few days. Whereas the area where I didn't lay the granules, it's grown a little bit because it did rain, but not nearly as much. Look at that boundary, it is so clear. This side really has grown. I really do need to get a mower on this as soon as I can. Even though I know about the effects of nitrogen on grass, I didn't think that after just 5 days it would make such a difference. So I'll call this first claim achieved. It's now been 5 weeks since I laid the product, and according to the packet, it says by now all the weeds in that area should be dead. But I've got good news and I've got bad news. The bad news is we've had a heat wave and a drought, and nearly all the grass where I've laid this product is absolutely dead. But luckily that doesn't mean to say we can't see the results of where I laid this product. Let's first look at the area where I didn't lay, and it's really obvious because the grass has actually died that you can actually see the weeds flourishing because those roots are a lot deeper, and so nothing's happened here other than the grass dying because we've had a drought. And as you look up, the only green bits up here are actually the weeds. Yeah, if we walk over and have a look at the area where we did lay the product, all these black areas were once upon a time weeds, and you can actually see where the weed has actually died. And as you look, there's hardly any weeds left. All the black areas are where the weeds were, and they've just died and shriveled up. So standing on the border of where I laid this material, everywhere to my right where I didn't lay, all the green I can see is the weeds, and then actually on the left here all I can see is black patches where the weeds have died. So I can definitely say after 5 weeks all the broadleaf weeds are dead, so that's good news. But there is an area where I did actually lay some of the compound, but really just for my private use, but we can see it in a little bit more detail because there's one area over here where I've actually watered the grass so it's still living. And that's my lawn here. It's not in perfect condition because we've had such sort of drought weather, but it's not too bad. And if you have a look, you can actually see holes in it. Now these holes were actually weeds that have died. They're like little divots all over, and those were broadleaf weeds that were flourishing before I put this 4-in-1 down. You can see a hole there, another hole there. These were quite vicious, quite deep weeds. Now they're all pretty much gone. The only problem is they do leave a little bit of a bare patch where the weed took over, the grass died, now the weed is dead, you've now got like a bare patch with no grass. So unlike the paddock, where I'm not going to get my hands and knees and replace every weed, on this lawn I'll show you what you need to do now. Here I'm using Jack's Magic Compost, which I quite like, but I think you can probably get away with any type of general compost for this. It's amazing how broadleaf weeds manage to kill the grass around them. So when you finally kill them, you end up with this hole in the lawn. And from experience, I know that if you don't fill these, they're going to take forever to grow over themselves. So it's best to just get on and accelerate that process. In each hole, I put a handful of compost and then sprinkle some of the original grass seed over it, and then just the light covering compost on the top to keep the birds off the seed. The other way of doing this is by mixing the seed with the compost in the bucket and then just plunking the whole lot in the hole. I don't think it makes a lot of difference one way or the other. Before anyone says anything, this was filmed before any hosepipe restrictions came into force in the UK, which does make it easier to water the bald patches. The challenge now is to keep all these little patches moist for the next couple of weeks so that seed can take, and in 2 or 3 weeks time that would have come through. You won't see any of those patches, the whole thing will be uniform and absolutely looking stunning. So does this product make your grass greener in 7 days? Well, actually for me it only took 4 or 5. Does it kill moss? From experience I can say yes. Does it kill weeds? Well, it does until your grass dies because of the drought, but in my nice lush lawn, yes it does. And does it make it healthier? Actually, I think it does. So in answer to our original question, which was, does it work? I think I can confirm, yes it does. As I said earlier, I'm not being sponsored by these people. If they want to send me half a dozen bags, I'm not going to turn it down. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.